5 best dropshipping suppliers in Ethiopia. Ethiopia is a growing e-commerce hub in Africa, offering plenty of opportunities for entrepreneurs who want to enter the dropshipping business. With its vibrant economy, demand for quality products, and local suppliers catering to various niches, Ethiopia is a fantastic market to explore. In today's video, we'll reveal the 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Ethiopia to help you grow your online store and achieve success. Hey guys, welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Ethiopia. Whether you're selling fashion, beauty products, electronics, or home goods, these suppliers will help you deliver great products to your customers and keep your dropshipping business running smoothly. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so you never miss out on our supplier reviews, e-commerce tips, and strategies. Let's get started. At number 5, Kefira. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Kefira, a popular online marketplace in Ethiopia. What they offer. Kefira features a variety of products, including fashion, electronics, furniture, and home appliances. Why they're great for dropshipping. The platform connects you with trusted local sellers, making it easier to source products for your store. Shipping advantage. Kefira allows you to work with suppliers within Ethiopia, reducing shipping times and costs. If you're looking for a local marketplace to find reliable sellers, Kefira is a great place to start. At number 4, Jumia Ethiopia. Coming in at number 4 is Jumia Ethiopia, a well-known e-commerce platform across Africa. What they offer. Jumia Ethiopia provides a wide selection of products, including electronics, fashion, beauty, and home goods. Why they're popular. Their competitive pricing and efficient logistics network make them an excellent option for dropshippers. Shipping advantage. Jumia's established delivery system ensures quick shipping to customers across Ethiopia. If you want to source affordable products and benefit from a reliable logistics network, Jumia Ethiopia is a top choice. At number 3, Made in Ethiopia. Next up at number 3 is Made in Ethiopia, a platform dedicated to promoting locally made products. What they offer. Made in Ethiopia specializes in handmade and artisanal goods, including textiles, jewelry, and home decor. Why it's great for dropshipping. These unique products appeal to customers looking for authentic and cultural items. Local advantage. By sourcing from local artisans, you can support the Ethiopian economy while offering one-of-a-kind items in your store. If you're targeting a niche market for handmade or cultural products, Made in Ethiopia is an excellent supplier to work with. At number 2, Alabiz. Coming in at number 2 is Alabiz, a B2B platform connecting businesses in Ethiopia. What they offer. Alabiz provides a diverse catalog of products, including clothing, electronics, agricultural products, and home goods. Why they're great for dropshipping. Their focus on connecting businesses ensures access to reliable suppliers and wholesale pricing. Shipping advantage. Sourcing locally through Alabiz reduces delivery times and enhances customer satisfaction. If you're looking for a business-focused platform to source high-demand products, Alabiz is a must-try supplier. At number 1, Ethiopian Trading Enterprise, ETE. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is Ethiopian Trading Enterprise, ETE, a government-supported platform for wholesale and distribution. What they offer. ETE offers a wide range of products, including textiles, food items, leather goods, and household essentials. Why they're the best. Their focus on high-quality, locally sourced products and bulk discounts makes them ideal for dropshippers, targeting both local and international markets. Logistics support. ETE provides reliable shipping options and ensures products are delivered in a timely manner. If you're serious about dropshipping in Ethiopia, Ethiopian Trading Enterprise is the ultimate supplier to partner with. And that's a wrap. And that's our list of the 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Ethiopia. Let's quickly recap the list. Ethiopian Trading Enterprise, ETE. Best overall for high quality, locally sourced products and reliable logistics. Alabiz, ideal for wholesale and business-focused sourcing. Made in Ethiopia, perfect for unique, handmade, and cultural products. Jumia Ethiopia, great for affordable, high-demand items with fast shipping. Chefira, a trusted online marketplace for sourcing local suppliers. Which of these suppliers are you most excited to try for your dropshipping business? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to Dropshipping Hustle for more tips, supplier reviews, and strategies to grow your store. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep hustling.